Yeah, y'all, welcome back to the channel. Well, we working on this 1998 Chevy Express again. I ain't got a lot of light today. It's kind of cloudy outside and rainy. So what I'm doing today is I'm going to replace the alternator. It is right here because the battery light is on, letting me know that it's not charging. And oh yeah, and I think I did put the voltmeter, and I'm only getting 12 volts. So we're gonna start just moving stuff out my way gradually. This is the breather, air breather that I'm about to take off here. You see, these are size 10. Now I use a screwdriver on these, but they also a size 8mm or a 5/16. Okay. Long too. It's sitting on a pole. Let's see how I get there. Look clean on that side, but could be dirty. Okay. Yeah, I just remember where you put the screws at. Alright. Spider webs in there, y'all. Y'all see I got this rigged up right here. Yeah, I see that. It's been on there for years. I only got this 8. So I can see if I can get that back there. Oh yeah, I can see it. Oh, I'm about to screw that all the way out there. Let's get that down a lot. Alright. Yeah, it's tight in there, that alternator. Could just take that off. Hold on, y'all, I'll take this bracket off right here. Yeah, I hope I'll be able to find them screws when I get ready to put it back. I don't even know if y'all can see what I'm doing. It's so dark in there. Right there. Y'all know what I forgot to do? Don't tell nobody. Don't tell nobody. Don't tell nobody. Yeah. Don't forget this, guys. Like unhooking the battery before you get started. Take the negative terminal off. It's what I was doing now. That's my angle. Now this I can use the long 10, the deep well 10mm for here. I can't really see what I'm doing right now. I just hope I ain't gotta take that off, guys, because I don't want to do it. Alright, this bracket. Hold on, y'all. Let's move that out of my way so I can get a little play. Alright, y'all guys. I got some things loosened up in there. But I think I gotta take this off, and I just feel better about working if I can take this fan shroud off. So I'll be back once I get that up. Taking this fan shroud off, guys.
Take it off, baby. That was an hour ago that I called you.
Huh?
An hour ago.
Oh, okay. Let's loosen up some. We got one down here, guys. I don't know if you can see it, but I can. All right, y'all. Trying to get this screw out down here. Seems like it's long as ever. I thought I had unscrewed it all the way, but I guess not.
Something now?
Sheesh. All right, this, guys, let's see if I can get this out now. Just move this out the way. AC line just pick it up. Oh, and these right here, y'all, they just snap in, just pop them out like that. Y'all can see with a little screwdriver, just pop it here. You can just pull this line up some out of the way. See if I can.
You need help with?
I'm trying to get this fan strap out.
Trying to get the fan strap out of here, right?
Yeah.
So what you want to do is call your husband, tell him how to get a fan strap. Generator kicking on.
I got a compressor over there with a little staple gun, and then I got a
Oh, snap. The antifreeze turned out on the ground, guys.
cleaner over there, so you never know what's going to be running.
I don't know what you building something?
Yeah, I'm building some medium-sized supers for beehives, you know, stack up when they grow out.
For the beehives.
Just trying to take the strap out right now.
It's just, I don't remember it being this hard to come out of here.
It turns, and that's how you take it out with your husband.
Oh yeah, I'm trying to look at that radiator.
Then time when you get a clear shot.
Hey, look at that water pump back there, babe. Oh dang, that's my antifreeze online
We
here.
changed that water pump.
Yeah,
17 years.
yeah, we changed this before, guys. I'm just gonna take this out. This
Yes.
had this in forever.
That sucker's still here.
I know, right? I told him I rigged that up years ago. It's been on there for years.
Since 1783.
Now you exaggerating.
You gotta call on me. Yeah. Like these hoes. There's a 10 right here.
Oh, is it? I can't even see.
And whatever is on over here. Oh yeah, it's a 10. It look like a 13 or a 10 behind now. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you were supposed to bring me that 13.
I did.
And I don't think that's a 10, babe.
13.
Yeah,
Could be a 13, could be a 12. You know how Chevy do. They can't make up their mind.
yeah, it's not a 10. It's got to be like a 12 or a 13. All I got is this.
13.
Let me see.
It's deep.
I don't even know if they can see this because I'm always over here working.
Yeah. Break it for you there. Show me what you got. Show me what you got.
I forgot I needed to break it.
Yeah, we gotta get a mod for the camera.
Yeah, I need to get a flash on it.
That's all mods.
Yeah.
We don't talk flash.
You got to get out of here.
There's a boat right here though.
I'm trying to focus on my craft.
And
Oh
I'm
yeah,
dead.
it's dark right there now, man. I need that ratchet, excuse me, y'all. You didn't bring the ratchet? Oh, here it is.
Hey, you said ratchet because
Yeah, let's take that belt off.
what'd you say though?
Nothing.
She ain't gonna tell me, you guys. I'm gonna remind her later. She wanna play with fire.
Ooh, put some light down there.
Who?
Trying to put some light down there, so.
See, what I'm doing is I'm taking the generator off from the left. From the left. You always want to make sure your hand's sturdy. Can't be all over the place. You'll lose it. You grab your finger, grab the bolt, flip it, bring it out. That's how you do that. Oh, she sent them up there. This right here,
I'm putting the mirror
movable.
up.
We don't need this crap. We throw it. That's what okay. And there you go, love. My job is done. Capital D-O-N-E.
this belt off here. I'm down here, babe, on this tensioner.
Right now she's removing the belt from the north wing.
From the north wing.
Sliding it off the south wing from the bottom. Boom, here. Loosen it. Don't let it pop back. It can put out an eye.
I hate that.
You got that stendo on it, you can let it go. It's always down.
No, I'm trying to get it out of there. I don't have that much.
That generator on here ain't been changed probably
What
since 98.
What is 13 at, babe? Tell us this is 98. Well, I'm gonna do this one. Loosen these with the ratchet.
Yeah, they look rusty. I know that's 13. I was like, this is a Chevy. They don't use too many sizes.
I don't even know if I'm getting this.
Yeah, you get it.
No, I'm talking
I
about.
told you to use my gun. I don't bring my pistol out of the house for nothing. It's cocked and ready. There you go. Between the fan. Get between the fan. Let me go and put my 2 fingers on. You ready?
I ain't got no leverage on that.
Oh, see what your problem is. You gotta go down. You get all the leverage you can get. You see what I'm saying? That's why we gotta stem the people.
Okay. I'm gonna put the gun.
I was about to say something crazy.
Put your mess up.
Yeah. I want one calling me.
I know, cause you'll be extra, babe. Extra.
Is I'm extraordinary?
See what I said? Yeah. That should be
That water pump look like it came off an old Ford. But that thing looking, that's a tractor?
I know that water pump is rusty.
That water pump was new. You know how they come out all black and ready.
It's old now. Daddy Mac.
Breaking everything in sight. I got you the po' boy. It ain't really got no weight on it, you feel me? And I got you to stick it to you. You know what I'm saying? Because it got 2 of them. You feel what I'm saying? So you stick it to them. Y'all better watch out. Y'all already know how I do it. When I come, I do it.
Okay.
Which one you want to use? The po' boy? You don't use the po' boy.
This is too big.
Yeah, use the po' boy. Because
Oh, no.
you can really get in up under that blade.
With the po' boy.
I see what you're looking at, though.
What?
There you go. Po' boy ain't posed no more, huh? Ooh. Use this one because it's shorter than Mac Daddy. Po' boy did get the story. Lift up on her. Go down on her. Let me see. There you go. There you go. There you go. Come on.
Babe, I'm on now. You ain't gonna be, you're not about to be on this camera talking like that with me, no. Fuck that. Boy, come on, you got me off what I'm trying to do now.
It's on this bracket back here. You see it?
Oh, okay.
You need to go, you need to rock it up, man. Miggity. Then for a daddy to come and sugarcoat, you know what I'm saying, where it goes. And I told him nigga them plugs were different. What you say?
Nah, you said it was the same, babe. Can you pull it out some more? It can come out some more. I gotta check those wires back in there. What is it?
Yeah. Come on.
I didn't want to fall off. They look totally different.
But it probably still can work though. I just thought about it. Because there's only one wire. That one came with the plug on. Well, didn't I cut the plug on it? No.
Nah, yeah. Mine is much bigger.
I said that was
like that one. That's why we kept this one, because we was like, if they gonna give us the same one we already got, then.
So how we find this one?
It's got numbers on there. You see? It got numbers right here. And then it's got is
that's
what,
a remanufacturing.
That's what they say. Yeah, you got some. Yeah.
You replaced it before?
I don't remember. What is it? P820343? Something like that.
Yeah, 0.
Well,
PA.
I want to see if it can go in there though.
What about the plug?
It's all on 4.
But the thing about it, they different plugs. Look at this plug. That one ain't even got the plug on there.
Which one got the plug on there? Oh yeah, I see what you're saying. That one. The other plug was like this on the other one that they was giving you too?
Yeah, it was like that too.
So how they was saying that work?
Because I just told you that. It's off of 4.3. You know what I'm saying? They all 4.3.
Well, this need to work for this 4.3. God dang it. Guys, this is what I found. After we took this alternator off, the wire going to the alternator, I found right here, I don't know if you guys can see it. You see that wire chafe right there? I guess it was hitting against the bracket somewhere in the back, but on this side is exposed even more. Yeah, I might can't see it, but so what I'm gonna do is cut this wire off, and I also noticed that it had been tapped into right here. Yeah, I don't know. You see right here the blue butt connector right there. See, my phone can sit there. See right here, this blue butt connector. I wanna replace it from here. I wanna actually take that out, but because it's kind of exposed on the wire, that could probably be problems in the future. So I'm gonna see what I can do with that and cut that piece out. But thing about it, I don't have any more butt connectors. Shrink, I don't know what you call this stuff, but anyway, you like twist your wires together. Get my camera right. Twist the wires together, and then you put this on it, and then you just heat it with the lighter, and it shrinks to the wires until we better get something better. And my husband, he went to go get the other alternator tested to see if it's actually good or bad or not, or it could have been just this wire all along. So I'm gonna go get started on that. All right, to cut this wire out of here, guys. See if I can get my flashlight up there, or my phone, should I say. So cut it right here with these needle nose things here. But that can't scare me, I'll tell you that. See, I can hold it up a little closer for y'all now. See if this my camera sucks. Okay, it don't focus too well, but I'm gonna cut that piece out of there. This job, but hey, we make it work. Oh, that's a nice pretty wire right there. Sit that up there. I'm gonna do this other side too. No, y'all can barely see this one that good. Alright. Oh snap, I'm gonna make my phone fall. And to be honest, I don't know why I even did that right now. Because I wanted to take this off of here and just run a straight heat on that wrap on it. Let me take this tape off, guys, and look at this right quick. See what it's looking like under the tape. Tape it back up the way they had it already. Because I don't have my right pliers that I need, so unfortunately that isn't going to work. It seems like it's about to rain out here. Because I need some real, what is this? Is like, it's some electrical tape. I don't really like using that black one. It's just so sticky when you get old. See if I can. I'm just come back, y'all, because when I've been up in this car in here, my camera points down and you can't even see what I'm doing anyway. So I'll be back. Okay, guys, I got this on. I put the heat shrink stuff on here, whatever it's called. You guys, y'all know what I'm talking about. But I put it on, and then I put the red tape on top of it, and then I also I didn't put any other stuff on here. I just covered the blue butt connector, and so no wires would be exposed. So I'm just waiting on my husband to get back with this alternator, or to let me know if they say it's bad or good or not. If it's good still, I'm gonna put it back on here. And of course, you guys know if it's bad, you gotta get another one. Oh, it's a bee flying around here. But yeah, and this wire here, it looks like it's okay or not. Yeah, I remember last video I was replacing that. Well, probably not my last video. All right, now I'm back now. I got these two alternators. This is the one that I took off the van, and we got a used one from the junkyard, and they gave us this one. They said this one would work for the van, and the engine is a 4.3, but we had this one on here with this plug fitting here. So when we got this one over here, we was like, dang, the plugs are different. So that's why on the wire harness, I seen that butt connector where the wire had been sliced, because they are this is for like a 5.7 engine. This is a 4.3 engine, but the bracket is saying where you can be able to put both of these, use either one of these. You just got to change the plug out. And this is, I think this is a 200 amp alternator, and I think this one is a 160 or 180, somewhere like that. So we got this used, and we're gonna put this on here, even though it's smaller, but the bracket is the same, because you can, you know, put them on, change them if you want more voltage. So this is the difference in the plug, if you can see that. Actually, I had two plugs. I already put it on, but so I took this one off the van because I did put it on, well, repaired that other one that was on there. So I took this one off, and I'm just doing away with that one. And we're gonna go with this alternator right here, and we're gonna use this plug, which I already put it in on. Let me show you, see it. But I already put this plug on right here. As you can see, it's the same like that. But so, and of course I put a little bandage on it right there. Okay, so we're gonna put this alternator on here now. So let's do that. And y'all know I don't have no good camera footage down here. Well, not camera footage, but lighting for the camera. Let's see if we put that on. I don't know if I'm supposed to put that on. Yeah, I'm gonna use one on the bottom. Actually, it's together with the camera here. So what we're gonna do now is put this in here. Hook your battery wire up. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Let me go and plug this in, because it's kind of in my way too. Get it propped up, y'all, because it's getting a little heavy on me. Get it here. Put my washers on there. It's hard for me to work with these gloves on, y'all, because I can't like feel the screw. I'm trying to screw on there. Okay. Oh. She tight now. Get it sitting back in here. And that's another thing. I need to pull this wire up, because it keeps getting down behind that alternator, and I don't want it to rub against some metal and have to repair it again in the future. So I know you guys probably can't see right now. I got this camera. Don't y'all get on me in the comments now about my footage, you know, but I can get it in there, right? Okay. Let's see if we can get this shifted all the way around here. Okay. I should have hit these dowel pins back. If you can hit those in, y'all know if y'all can see them, because sometimes it'll make your alternator tight to go down in there. But if you bang them back a little bit, it'll slide in real easy. And I forgot to do it this time, because I did do it when I was messing with it earlier here. But let me get it in there. Okay, y'all, I put it back together just a little bit to see if it's gonna crank and see if this battery light is gonna go off. So, got a little jump box on here. So, let me go see now. Excuse the what it's looking like in here. Let's see. She's been sitting up a long time. If I can get this key on. Hold on. Alright. The battery light is off. So, you know what that means? It's charging. It's dark over here. Y'all might can't see that, but it's on 14 volts. All right, now I'm about to put it back together, guys. Let me get the stuff back on here. Sit that over there. Let's rig this up here. I didn't tighten everything up, y'all. Just sitting on there to get it back, but gotta put some screws back in here. Okay, I'm gonna do an overview of you guys with some light so y'all can see exactly what's going on here. Okay, give me the light down here. This is the tensioner right here. Put your ratchet here, push down on it to release the tension on the belt. You got a bolt here and a bolt right there, and they are 13s. And you got, hold on. Then you got this bracket up top here. Got a bolt there. Right there, I'm shining the light on. You got one right there. Then you got one right here across the top. Then you got one over here. Get the light on there. Come on, I'll tell you. See, you get all your bolts back on. That's to hold all this stuff right here. And you got to put this breather. This goes to the master airflow sensor. On this here, yeah, I know it go like this. Then you hook your plugs back up here, and then you got to put your fan shroud back on that big black thing that went right here, and the breather. Once I get it all on, I'll come back and just show y'all what it look like when it's all put together.
This is the tricky part, but we're gonna do this like this. Whew! Told you, that's how it is. That's how you do it, and I'm done.
Guys, got it all back together. Okay. Breather on. All of that good stuff. Let me take this jump box off right here. Good. Thank y'all for watching my video. I'm done with the van, so please make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video, and let me know what else y'all want to see me work on. And I'm out.